Hi, I'm Camry,
And I'm Morgan.
and today we're going to show you how to use the Dr. Smiles Pop and Prime Teeth Whitening Pen. So I'm going to demonstrate and Morgan's going to explain the instructions.
So first you're going to pop the cap, which Camry has already done, and then you're going to flip the pen upside down and prime the pen by turning it clockwise until the gel comes out. Then you're going to apply the gel to your teeth. You can go in a circular motion to the right, to the left. Make sure to get in between the cracks of your teeth and also between the gum line and your teeth because that's where you can get most yellow sometimes. So after you're done doing that, you're going to fan your teeth for 15 seconds. You can do the Dr. Smiles happy fanning dance.
So once you're done fanning, you can feel free to spit. There's no need to rinse, which makes it perfect for on the go. And don't forget to smile.